Forgive English. I am Russia. I come to study clothing and fashion at American University. I am here little time and I am very hard stress. I am gay also and this very difficult for me. I am very religion person. I never act to be gay with other men before, but after I am in America 6 weeks, I am my friend together, he is gay also. He will show me American fashion and then we are kiss. We sex together. I never before now am telling my mother about gay because I am very shame. As I fuck this American boy, it is very good to me, but also I am feel so guilty. I feel extreme guilty as I begin orgasm. I feel so guilty that I pick up my telephone and call mother in Russia. I awaken her. It's too late for stopping, so I am coming sex. I am very upset and guilty and crying, so I yell her, I am come from sex in Russia. She say, what? I say, I am come from sex. And she say, you boy, do not marry American girl. And I say, no, I am come from sex with man. I am an ass. I come an ass. And my mother very angry me. She not get scared though. I hang up phone and I am very embarrassed. My friend also, he is very embarrassed. I am guilt and feel very stupid. I wonder, why do I gay with man? But I continue because when it spurts, it feel very good in American ass. Next day I received a telephone call from father in Russia. He tell me mother died 2 weeks ago. Who was telephone? Hi everyone, I just wanted to say thank you for all the support, all the messages, all the fucking views, and all the subscriptions. Seriously, you guys kick ass. Without this, without you, there would be no this. I just hit a hanger, you could hear that. Yeah, because I do this in my closet. I'm in the closet, everyone. Don't take that out of context. Anyway, thank you. And once again, as always, if you want something read, leave me a message, put it in the comments, fucking send me a pigeon. I don't give a shit. Anything. Thanks, guys.